Hey guys, my name is Neil and welcome to Java Zone. In this episode, we're going to be doing a practical of exception handling. So we're going to be testing out try catch and finally, which is a keyword that I didn't say in the exception handling video, but I'll explain it in this video. It's very simple. So first let's open Notepad. Okay, so you have a notepad. Now let's write a simple program. Let's write class try catch public static void main string args. Hmm. Now let's do but before that, let me show you all of this. First, I have written the class public static void main, and next I have directly written try, which means try catch. So try catch. So try catch. So I said basically that in here there there could be a problem. So try to catch it. So integer data is equals 100 by 0 and catch arithmetic exception e and system.out print line e, which basically if you're not understanding what is the fault here, we didn't specify e. So if you're asking doubt, then why didn't check here? So why the catch should have come here, catch, and instead here is because it first checks from top to bottom. So when it first checks in data, it's like you didn't specify it over here. So it's caused by not specifying it and not just by adding a normal a variable which wasn't there before. So system out at println e, so it doesn't execute this, but it executes the after part which is not related to it. So it says system.out.println rest of the code. So if you did a normal program like this, it would just not even show system.out.println. It would just stop, like it will not show anything. But since this is exception handling, and you use try catch, it just blocks the small part of it. All right, so let's run it and see what happens. So if I'm correct and if it works, then it should print rest of the code and not print any of this. Okay, so let's see. Cd dot dot cd dot dot e colon. Okay, so now let's go to the final folder in which I have saved it. Okay, it's Java try catch. Let's try cd space Java try catch episode. Now, so the class is exception. Let's try javac, which means Java compiler space um, exception dot Java. So it's taking its time to process it and see if it's gonna work. So it is working. So let's write Java exception. Okay, so it's loading, and there you go. So here it's written rest of the code. There you go. So there was a problem here, but it still printed out rest of the code and this part because the problem was over here. So it ignored this part and made the rest of the program workable. So that is exception handling. So now let's minimize this, not close it because that would be time consuming. Okay, class um try catch. Okay, class try catch public static void main. You know what, let's skip to the part when when the program is over and I try to explain what's okay. So I have written the statement, so the program. So let's see what I written. Class multiple catch. So this is the name that I changed it into. Public static void main string args try. So try catch. Int array is equals to new int 10. Array 10 is equals study by slash 0. So catch the arithmetic expression. So in here there's a fault. If you didn't understand the fault, comment down below. But the fault is basically 30 slash 0. So catch the arithmetic expression and system order print line get message. And next was catch array out of index bounds exception e and system order print line e dot get message. So there is a error over here. So if we didn't use try catch, it should basically stop the rest of the program. But this time it'll print e dot get message. So I'll do it and it'll print it about arithmetic exception. So I've saved it, but let's save it again. Let's go to cmd and javac multiple catch dot java. So it's loading, so it must come, it must show up, and as soon as it shows up, there you go, it's java multiple catch. So see, it has printed it. Okay, so anyways, it was just small glitch. So here I said slash by 0, so the answer was true. So this is multiple catch. So this says that you can use multiple catches in the same program. So now let's do the last and final one, which is finally. Now finally sounds like a little hard concept, but it's really similar to then. Even though then like almost doesn't exist and nobody uses it. So anyways, so we'll talk about finally in the next episode. About finally. So until then, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so don't miss out any new videos. And that's all folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.